Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is March 27 and we're starting from Euro-Dollar pair with Jakub Novak as usual. First, let's have a look on 5-minute chart for analyzing yesterday's transactions. The pair tested 1.0827 at that time when MACD line was just starting to move below zero, which was a good reason to sell. Accordingly, this resulted in a price decrease of over 30 pips. Buying on the rebound from 1.0793 was unsuccessful. Euro fell on Friday due to weak data on manufacturing activity in the Eurozone. And considering that, there is nothing important scheduled this week apart from the ECB's speeches, volatility will be low, which means that Euro-Dollar pair will trade within a sideways channel. Business environment indicators, assessment of present situation and economic expectation for Germany will have little to no effect to market. For long positions, buy Euro when the quote reaches 1.0782 and take profit at the price of 1.0814. Growth is possible, but it will only be after very good statistics from the Eurozone. Traders have to make sure, though, that the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought at 1.0758, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area. As only by that will the market reverse to 1.0782 and 1.0814. For short positions, sell Euro when the quote reaches 1.0758 and take profit at the price of 1.0723. Pressure will return if there is weak economic data as well as dovish rhetoric from ECB representatives. However, when selling, make sure that the MACD line is under zero or is starting to move down from it. Euro can also be sold at 1.0782, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0758 and 1.0723. We've got a trading signal for GBP USD pair for March 27-28, Dimitris Topas describes. Early in the European session, the British pound is trading around 1.2235, bouncing above the 4.8 Muri and below the 21 SMA. Located at 1.2257. According to the 4-hour chart, the British pound sharply broke the uptrend channel formed since March 8. A technical rebound towards 1.2294 resistance zone is expected in the next few hours, so that the instrument resumes its bearish cycle. The key level is located at 1.2207 and could offer recovery of the pair above this area for the next few hours. In case the British pound falls below this level, we could expect it to resume its downward movement and could reach the 200 EMA located at 1.2121. A return above 1.23 could open doors for a new bullish sequence, and the British pound could reach 68 Murray located at 1.2451. If the pair falls below 1.2121, we could expect a sustained trend reversal, and the pound could fall towards the psychological level of 1.20 and finally hit the low of March 8 at 1.1801. Our trading plan for the next few hours is to buy above 48 Murray with targets at 1.2251, 21 SMA, and also 1.2294. This move could rekindle the bearish cycle, and therefore we could wait for the resistance of 1.23 to sell, with targets at 1.2121, 200 AMA. Potential bearish movement on USD CAD pair. Petar Yakimowicz presents. USD CAD has been trading downside in the background. And failed breakout of the range to the upside. There's a good sign for the further downside movement. Due to the failed breakout of the trading range to the upside, Petar sees potential for the downside movement towards the lower extreme of the trading range. Downside objective is set at the price of 1.3648. Key resistance is set at the price of 1.3800. And here is Laurie Bailey with AUD USD pair forecast. Let's have a look. After the Australian dollar failed to break through the resistance at 0.6730 on March 22 and March 23, it attacked the support at 0.6640 on Friday, March 24. The Marlin oscillator has been in a downtrend area all this time. Now, after it breaks Friday's low at 0.6628, it has a new bearish target at 0.6455. On the 4-hour chart, the price is under the MACD line, supported by the Marlin oscillator, which is falling in the red. The price needs to consolidate under 0.6640 and pass Friday's low at 0.6628 to develop the bearish movement according to the main scenario. If the price settles above the MACD line, above 0.6670, the decline can be delayed for 1 or 2 days. That's all for today. See you online soon. Good luck.